Hey guys, welcome back. So got a little get ready with me tutorial type video on some Too Faced goodies. So many cute gingerbread related things. They sent me the most beautiful package with all these goodies inside, like this cute little guy who had a little bronzer and a lipstick inside. Didn't use a lipstick today, I used this guy right here. So liquid lipstick, both of the gingerbread spice palettes. So the gingerbread spice, the original, and then the extra spicy. So cute. So this is the look that I did. So just gonna kind of get ready with you guys on camera today and play with some of these goodies. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, let's dive in. Look how adorable. Oh my goodness. This totally makes me smile. Super duper cute. So fun. So let's do some makeup. I think I'm just gonna jump back and forth between the gingerbread spice and the gingerbread spice extra spicy and just kind of like play with some different colors. So I'm gonna start off with the gingerbread extra spicy and get some of this shade right here, which is Vanilla Wafers, and set my eyeshadow primer with this. I'm sitting here looking because I genuinely have no idea at this point what kind of a look I want to do. I just want to play with makeup with you guys. So I'm going to take the extra spicy palette and get a brush to blend with, and I'm going to get this shade right here, this kind of yellowy shade. This is Butterscotch. So I'm going to start with that and put that in my crease and transition area. I'm going to take the gingerbread spice palette and get some of Spice is Nice on a smaller crease brush. And put this in my outer corner and also a little bit in my crease. So easy to work with. Love them. Okay, now I'm going to take some of Gumdrop, also from the Gingerbread Spice palette, on a small brush. This is a Morphe M507. Put this in my outer corner just to kind of get some pinky color out there. I'd say I'm kind of doing it more like the outer half of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take a Bdellium Tools 777 brush and get some of Hot Toddy from the Gingerbread Spice palette. Get some of this really pretty kind of like pinky burgundy sort of a color. And I'm going to put this on the outer half of my lid. I'm going to use some setting spray with it. I want to kick it up a notch. I want it to be like super metallic-y. Ooh, pretty. That's so pretty because it almost has like a yellowy golden shift to it, so it kind of ties in the crease. I like that. From the Gingerbread Spice palette, I'm going to get a little combo of this shade and this shade right here on a small shader brush from Luxie. This is Warm and Toasty and Spiced Eggnog. So getting those two, little combo. Tap off my brush, spray my brush with some setting spray, and then apply this to the inner half of my lids. I want a little bit more golden than that, so a little bit more warm and toasty than the other one. To blend this line here, I'm going to turn over my brush where I don't have the shadow and just kind of lightly blend. All right, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Hot Toddy, that kind of burgundy-ish shade, and just add a little bit of that back into my outer corner because I definitely want that to still be nice and vibrant. Okay, going to apply just a little bit of brown liner. I'm going to use the Laura Geller Eye Care Waterproof Eyeliner in Cafe Mocha and just line this along my upper lash line. Try not to make it too thick, but doing a little bit of a lift and wing on the outer corner. So subtle, but a little bit lifted. Now for some mascara on my upper lashes, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash and It Cosmetics Superhero. So I'm going to apply these and I'll be right back. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the Gingerbread Spice palette and get some of this pinky shade right here, which is Looky at My Cookie. And I'm going to line this along my lower lash line. This is the Sedona Lace EB21 brush. Okay, now I think I'm gonna do that same combo of these two right here that we used on my lid earlier. Get that same combo, use some setting spray, and line the inner half of my lower lash line just for that kind of like pop. And I'm gonna pop some of this shade right here, also from the Gingerbread Spice palette. This is so pretty and shimmery. Pop that on the inner corner of my eyes. Then just gonna finish up the eyes with some CoverGirl Clump Crusher on my lower lashes. Had to change out my battery, so if I shifted a little bit, that is why. Okay, so moving on to the face, I am going to use the adorable little bronzer that comes in this set, and a little gingerbread man. So cute. So this is Gingerbread Tan, really pretty bronzer. So I'm going to use this to give a little bit of shape, a little bit of bronzing to my face. This is what he looks like. That's so darn cute. I love that this has that kind of reddish sort of a tint to it. So it's a warmer bronzer, but it's less orangey warm. It's more of that reddish sort of a tint, which I think is really pretty. I love a bronzer that looks like this. So it ends up being this blushy, bronzery sort of a look, and I think it's just really flattering. Okay, for a blush, I'm gonna use a couple shades from the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. I'm gonna use a combo of this one right here and this one, just a little dab between the two, and slowly buff this onto my cheeks. A little bit goes a long way with them, but they're really pretty as a blush. For highlighter, I would use this product, which is adorable. This is the Kissable Body Shimmer. Comes with a really cute little puff inside, which is adorable. This does have an interesting scent to it. I will say that. It's kind of a little bit odd. Let me see if I can... Yeah, it just smells a little bit funky. So I like the scent on the other products. I love their like just, you know, chocolatey scent or vanilla scent. I love their peach scent. Their gingerbread scent I think is still nice. It's not my favorite one. It's like a little bit vanilla-y, but then a little like twist of something that's supposed to be like gingerbread. So I like it. It's not my favorite scent from them. But this one is just a little bit strange. So not a big fan of the scent of this one, but it's too dark for me to use on my face. It's really pretty as a body shimmer, but too dark for me to use as a highlighter. For cheek highlighter, I'm going to use this guy right here, which is Spiced Eggnog. And this is actually, I think, supposed to be, I don't remember. I was going to say this is a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, but I don't even know what it is. Maybe it's a small highlighter brush. Who knows? I got it free. That's what I'm going to use. It was like a free gift with purchase kind of a deal. It doesn't even have a name on it, so I don't even know what brand it is. But I like it. Okay, and then for lips, I'm going to use Gingerbread Girl, one of their melted mattes. I love their melted mattes. And I kind of forgot until recently when I used one again how much I like this formula. I would say it's a very, just kind of feels like nothing on your lips, so comfortable and low maintenance liquid lipstick. Usually I feel like liquid lipsticks are high maintenance, like the They're Not There line. This fades more like a matte lipstick would. So I would say a more comfortable and low maintenance liquid lipstick. Really like them. I'm gonna start with a little lip liner just to kind of get the shape on my lips. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in 110 Purely Nude. This is probably a little bit light for this lip color, but it'll at least give me the shape that I'm going for. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. So I hope that you really enjoyed it. Please do a thumbs up if you did. Let me know down below what your kind of favorite looks to do with these products are, or just what are some of your go-to makeup looks for holidays or any time of year. I would love to know that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!